Hello everyone, welcome to this channel and nice to meet you all. And by this time I would like to share a tutorial based on the case that I find out in our community, and exactly it is coming from Jenology Designs and Delights. I challenge myself through these requests or questions in our community just to help. Yes, again, just to help others for those who are not yet familiar how to get these done in Canva. Yeah, so the question is there a way to do that in Canva, or do I just need to recreate him separately? So actually, it's up to you which one you like. You want to recreate separately, or you can do it in Canva. Yes, you can do it both way, but because you are talking in our community in Canva, so this one can be done in Canva. Yes, absolutely, this one can be done in Canva, and exactly. I've done mine anyway, so this is all the designs that I made, and this is all the things that I've done, and I do it here by steps, and I hope this tutorial will help you, and especially for those who are not yet really familiar how to get this done in Canva. I hope I'm not late yet to give this tutorial. Alright, so before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sir Mike. I'm from Indonesia and I live in Bali.
Nice.
As you can see here, I just would like to get this this design. I'm going to copy the image and I will just put in here, erase all these things, and I just would like to let you know how to get this all with all these things done with all the steps that I have in here. Okay, once you get in here, so go to edit image, and after that magic grab. So the aim of making, I click this magic grab just to remove from the background. So as you can see here, so this one I can detach this design from the background. After this, so I will just like copy and paste again, and after that I go to this magic erase. And as you can see that here, you will see the brush size. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, and I'm going to make it bigger this page in order to erase this text, okay, to eliminate so that it become white. Don't get disturbed with this. Yeah, you can do it one more time and apply, and I am sure this one will disappear. And all this element over here you need to erase, because we are focusing this circle and this Texas guy over here, this icon. So that's why I'm erasing this one right now, text and this element over here. If you are having a good internet speed, these things will give you a fast result. Here, I just finished erasing all this text and these elements around these icons over here. So now go back, and after that copy paste again. What should I do with this? I need to go edit image again and then grab text. So remember, magic grab, magic eraser, and grab text. So this grab text is just to remove this text over here. So we can remove it, and because we are not going to use it, just delete it. And after that you can crop this design over here, so you can make it bigger. And actually we are done. But your question is, you want to get this transparent or this transparent but with a background, is a circle background. So it's up to you which one, and I hope this tutorial will help you. So how to get these done in Canva? We need to get crop design over here, and we need to put it on the new page and paste it. And the purpose of making this on the new page, because we are going to get a PNG format. Okay, so you need to change this one become PNG format and transparent and all the way forward. Okay, so that we can have a high quality, high resolutions, and make sure that you click the current page so that you will not download all, so only the current page that you want to get. Okay, so now download it, and because I did mine already, so I'm going to get it from here. As you can see here, the download image that had been changed into PNG format, and the original one is real different. Okay, so you can still have here lines. Okay, to make it bigger. And now we need to get this background removed. All we're going to do is edit image, and after that, magic grab again. You just click on it, and then you can drag it, and now the white background should be deleted because we don't want it. That's the way how I get these transparent. And if you want this circle here, full circle, or this element over here, you can get it from here. Okay, so you just click this element and then click see all, and there is a circles here. So these circles over here, you can change the color, so it's up to you how would you like. And then you can get the lines, the border weight surrounding it, and you can remove the color, become transparent. So this is the way, and as you can see, so this is if you want to get these lines here. Guys, this is all the things and the steps that I've done, and I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. And if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, so you can subscribe to support. But if you don't want to get this notification anymore from this channel, you don't have to subscribe. You just keep watching, and that's fair enough. Thank you guys once again, and thanks for watching.